Do you even RGB though? Hey, what's good people? Tech Jamo. Now, as some of you may know, we've had an Elgato care package recently drop into the studio. 2 new products, 2 new videos from me. One video which I've already released is the new Elgato wave panels for sound dampening. Now, that link is in the description section below. However, this video is about the inner gamer in me, fam. RGB lighting from Elgato, their first light strip. So let's see what's really good. Let's get it unboxed. You don't know the deal already. Wow, when did my desk get so messy? All right, let's get that over there. Put that in the middle. Let's get these out of the way. All right, let's do this. So what we got first of all? There we go. All right, that's the box spent. Put that down there. Instructions and that, but we don't read them. What is this? I would know what it is if I read the instructions. Okay, this is the light strip itself. Right, it does feel like a good quality. You know, you get some light strips that just feel really cheap and tacky, but this feels very solid, which is something very strange to say for a light strip itself. But anyway, let me just leave that in that little packet for now. Let's see what else we get in here. Got a little American adapter in here. You've also got the UK 3-pin adapter, which is the one we're going to be using. You also got this looks like a receiver unit or a control unit. So this must give the lights that wireless ability to be able to control it by your smartphone or your Elgato deck ting. Press deck. What is that thing called? That deck. I don't know. Then we've got a calm little power plug, so this must plug into this, I'm assuming. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that plugs into there. Got some stuff in there, don't know what that is. You guys can read that if you really want to. And I'm not sure what this is. It's like some kind of adhesive thing going on here. All right. So, it's a pretty much simple packaging. We've got the plug. We've got the Wi-Fi or the wireless adapter for the lights. And we've got the lights themselves. So let's get them stuck in and let's see what they look like. Now guys, before I go into installing this, I just want to show you a little bit more detail on the RGB lighting itself. As you can see, it's got the Elgato branding right there, which looks really cool. And you'll also notice that there's these little cut-off points. So whenever you've used enough of the RGB lights and you want to cut it off so it's not looking all tacky or it's not hanging everywhere, you can cut this at any of these cutoff points as labeled here, because this is a 2-meter piece of RGB cabling. Now at the front end of this RGB cable, which is not the end I have in my hand right there, you've got this piece right here which connects to the wireless connector. So what you're going to do is you're going to see this bit here where it says LED light strip. You're going to connect that like that. Boom. There you go, just like that, you're done. And then obviously the plug goes into the top of the LED of the light strip brains bit. Boom, just like that. And then obviously, depending on which country you're in, you'll just slap this guy in here. Apparently anyway, I mean, so I've heard. This is a bit, should I read the instructions? All right, we got it. I was putting it upside down, but yeah, clip that in. It's quite easy to actually clip in and clip out. You just twist it in and then put it in again. Oh God, oh Lord. And you twist it back in just like that. All right, so yeah, that's basically the setup. And for someone who knows what they're doing, that will take them about 5 seconds. All right, now as you can see, man has already got this little RGB light down here, but it's a bit messy with all the wires. So what I'm planning to do is yank that out so that I can clean the wires underneath and then line up this Elgato RGB strip to the back of this table, but along the rim, just like this, so that I get the light bleed from the RGB all around the back of the table. So that's what man's gonna do, in theory, but let's see how it actually works. Hey, so we got all the lights set up now. So we've got some light strips going through here around the back of the table as I discussed. And we've also got the Elgato Control Center app on the phone, which allows me to just literally control the intensity of the light and the color on the fly, fam. So like man can click the button and then go to some different colors, go to green and go to yellow, go to pink, go to blue, go to white in the middle. White seems to be the brightest color actually. Red is quite decent as well. Let's go to a little bit of light blue. Yeah, no, this is sick. And what you can also do, let's say if you like green, you can favorite green down here, or if you like a bit of blue, you can also favorite blue so that you can hot swap between all the colors. And they've also got the same functionality for white. So if you want a warmer white tone, you can go to that side. If you want a cooler white tone, you can go to that side. So yeah, the app is pretty much simple and obviously integrates with all the other Elgato lighting products like the key light and the key light mini and the Elgato ring light. So yeah, nah, pretty much happy with that, guys. Decent stuff. And if you haven't already, make sure you go down in the description section and click the link to the other video that I'm releasing today about the Elgato foam panels for sound dampening that I reviewed today as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bless.